We are pleased to show you the 2026 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, fog lamps. Come see the car for yourself.